Portable Nebulizer nebulizer machine for adults and kids travel and household use, handheld mesh nebulizer for breathing problems APOS. The Portable Nebulizer household handheld breathing machine is a portable nebulizer that is designed to help people with respiratory conditions, such as asthma, bronchitis, or COPD, breathe more easily. Here are some of the benefits and negatives of this product. Benefits. The nebulizer is portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The nebulizer is easy to use and provides fast relief for respiratory symptoms. The nebulizer is suitable for use with a variety of medications, including albuterol, ipratropium bromide, levolbuterol, and budesonide. The nebulizer is rechargeable and comes with a USB cable, making it easy to charge on the go. Negatives. Some users have reported that the nebulizer can be relatively loud when in use. Some users have reported that the nebulizer's battery life is relatively short, so it may need to be recharged frequently. Overall, the Portable Nebulizer household handheld breathing machine is a great choice for those who need a portable and easy-to-use nebulizer that provides fast relief for respiratory symptoms. Price: $49.99.